Okay, students, last class we discussed about the document storage app. Now we have MapReduce app. So MapReduce app already we have discussed in the fourth unit. So same concepts here repeated. So here we are going to, before fourth unit we have just seen the code with the help of command window. We are giving input in the command window, then we are getting output also in command window. But in this fifth unit, we are going to develop the app. We have to give the input in the app and we have to display the output in the app itself. So this is the difference. So MapReduce means, so whenever given the data input to the any app or social media, anything, any web application, so it has to count the votes, number of votes present in the given data, and then you have to transfer to the data is a big data, then it is transferred to the Hadoop. Okay, so here we have modeling of a MapReduce app. The first step we have to design the component design. So this is already we discussed in the class: components, job submission, job processing, job notification, with respect to resources, web tier, application tier, analytic tiers, storage tiers. And then next step we have to develop the architecture design. Here we are going to draw the architecture with the help of Django app server. The front end we have template, and then we have views, and the back end we have, for the less amount of data we have message queue, and the large amount of data we have Hadoop MapReduce. And then step 3, we are going to deploy the app with the help of deployment design. So here the deployment model, first we have app with the website.com, and then load balancer, and then auto scaling with content to the Django app server. And if the data is a bulk data, then we are going to analyze with the help of MapReduce EMR, elastic MapReduce. So these three steps we are discussed in the class. Now we are going to implement in the practical way. So for that I written the code in the Python. So as usual steps, you have to create one folder in your desktop. You have to create one folder. In that folder you can create one Python application with the Notepad++. So open the Notepad++. This is the code for the MapReduce app. You can paste the code here and then save as a app.py. Okay. So here we have program. These are already we discussed in the previous sections also, libraries and packages. This is a template equal to template for the HTML code, web template. So itself, the code, Python code itself, we are using this one. This will be, we are getting from this render template string function, so which is available in the Flask package. So this function will be useful for the inserting the HTML code in the Python. Okay, then app equal to Flask of name is equal to, this means this will be create a app server which is present in the Flask. Okay, and then come to the next. So actual MapReduce function. Here we are going to take the data as a text, and then the data will be whatever we given, that will convert it to lower case words, and then it's going to split into words with the help of these two lines. And then we're going to reduce means if you give the similar words, for example, hello world, hello, in that sentence two words are hello there, that we have to reduce. So that will be counted by these 4-5 lines. So here the reduce of mapped count, we are given the empty, and then the data present in the whatever we given the data is present in the word variable, that we are counted with the help of this get word of 0. Okay, this function, this syntax is useful for the counting the number of words. And then so we have to display the whatever we given the data with the help of get post command in the app root, and then that will be displayed in the HTML file. So up to here, everything, the process will be going on. Whatever the given data, it will be processed, it will split into words and then count the words. Then they has to display in the HTML file. For that we are taking the two variable mapped data and the result data. Okay, these two steps mainly performed at the front end side. Okay, so after this front end data we will get in the result variable, then it will return to the render template string function with the template already we defined the template content result equal to result. That means, so here the template we define now, this template variable we are calling, and the final result variable we are calling at the front end with the help of this render template string function. Then so to run the wherever the program available in this laptop, so wherever which drive any path, if we want to run like administrative access, we have to give these two lines. So this is the code. Now we are going to implement this one. I'm going to open the Python file, run the Python file, python space app.py. By entering this one, so the server will be run with the name of app. Now you can copy the server link and paste in your web browser. So this is the app we are created. Here I am giving the text, hello world, hello Rizwan SK. Then I am going to check the mapping with reduce. So check here, hello is one time. So I am giving spelling mistake here, hello. So it's a different word taking that 111. One more time. I'm giving similar words, we'll check. Hello world. Hello world. See that. So two hello, two worlds like that. This is the MapReduce app. We are developed with the help of Python and Flask function. Flask package. Thank you for your